It was Halloween yesterday, and I dressed up as a witch. And normally there's a variety of all types of candy, but you know what? Circus peanuts are my favorite type of candy. And usually I get circus peanuts 33% of the time. Oh, great.
I go trick-or-treating, and sometimes I get other candy, and sometimes I get my favorite, which are circus peanuts. During this particular time trick-or-treating, I got circus peanuts 5 times in a row. What a score. Love those, even though they taste like dust. Love them. Here they go, coming out of the houses. Love my circus peanuts. Yummy yum. Yum, 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 circus peanuts. Love that. And they're still coming. Oh, got other candies. Don't like those as much. Don't like those. I just want my circus peanuts.
So probably 5 in a row is enough to suggest that more people are giving out circus peanuts than the usual 33% are not. Do you think so? I don't know. But yes, that does seem unusual because circus peanuts are not usually handed out.
Well, let's find out. In order to see if it is 5 of my favorite candy in a row, it is probable we need to run a simulation of trick-or-treating so we can use a die and 20 trials to see the probability of getting 5 in a row. How great that would be.
So a simulation is an imitation of chance behavior usually carried out with random numbers. So we are going to state, plan, do, and conclude.
Okay, so the question is whether or not more houses are handing out circus peanuts, because this year I got 5 in a row. We can assume that each roll represents the house, each roll that represents the houses is independent from the last house, and that we will roll to get a circus peanut 33% of the time, and that it is a fair dice. So yeah, we're just stating our thing.
So these are our assumptions before we actually carry out the simulation. So now we are going to plan our simulation. So first we're going to assign digits on our die. So since we get circus peanuts 33% of the time, digits 1 through 2 on the dice will represent getting the circus peanuts. And on digits 3 through 6 on the die means I get a different candy, so like Twix or Kit Kat. So then we're going to run 20 simulations with repeats, digits accepted. So we will roll 5 times per simulation and tally how many times we get a 1 or how many times we get 5 in a row.
All right, now let's do this. Once we completed this simulation, we have found that 5 of the trials had 5 houses with circus peanuts in a row, which is 20% of the time. Yay! We did not get 5 in a row on 15 of our trials.
Okay, so in conclusion, because we got 5 in a row 20% of the time, we can conclude that 5 in a row is not unusual. Our simulation does not give enough evidence to say that more houses are giving out circus peanuts because it does happen 1 in 5 times. But our simulation is enough evidence to say that getting 5 in a row is not unlikely. So yeah, it's not unusual, and more houses are not giving out more circus peanuts this year, which is gross.
So, do you like circus peanuts? Oh no, I do not like circus peanuts. Yes, they are nasty. They're not the best. Oh yes, I prefer Skittles way more and candy corn. Really? Wow. Goodbye.